Hi everyone, this is Mr. Kachinga. So as you can see, this is the Examination Council of Zambia, General Certificate of Education, GCE. So we are going to revise this paper that was written in 7 August 2025. So this is the cover page. But our interest is the content which is inside. So let's look at the content. Okay. So we have question number 1. So question number 1, the question is here, simplify. So what does it mean when they say simplify? So by this time we all know that simplify means you make it easier. So what you have to do, you can see that there is a space here. So this space is there for you for solving. So let's solve question 1 first of all. So what we'll do is that when you are given like this, you just multiply this 2 times y. So 2 times y, you are going to get 2y. Again, the same 2, you multiply it with negative 3. So 2 times negative 3, you are going to get a negative 6. Okay. Then you go here. This is negative 3. So negative 3 multiplied by 2. So you get negative 6. Again, the same negative 3 times negative y. So the best way you can do is say negative times negative, then you get a positive. After that, this 3 times y, then you get 3y. Okay, never put an equal sign for simplify. From here, you have to put the like terms, things which are same. So as you can see here, I have 2y, and there I have 3y. So I'm going to say 2y. Okay, then plus, you get the sign which is there, which is positive 3y. After that, as you can see, I have negative 6. So I'll put here negative 6. Again, here I have negative 6. I'll put negative 6. Now, this is 2y plus 3y. It means we can able to add. What is 2y plus 3y? It's the same as 2 plus 3, isn't it? Okay, so 2 plus 3, you just get 5, then you maintain y. So this is the easiest. So you get 5y. Then you have negative 6 minus negative 6. So now, here never do like negative times negative, no. Unless if it was like 6 minus 6 is when you say negative times negative, then you get a positive. But if it is negative 6 minus 6, never do like this, okay? It means go to the number line 6 times, again continue going to the number line 6 times. You find yourself on negative 12. So the easiest way you say 6 plus 6, you get 12, but maintain the negative sign. Okay, so this and this, they are never same, right? So this is your answer. So the answer, you put it here, which is 5y minus 12. And when you do that, you get how many marks? 2 marks. You see? So this is question 1. This is the way you are supposed to solve question 1. Okay, so let's solve question 2. So this is question 2. So question 2, as you can see here, they are saying evaluate. So what's the meaning of evaluate? Is to find. So this topic is coming from indices, evaluate. So you have a space there, and for you to evaluate the ECZ or the examiners, they will give you 2 marks. So let's evaluate question 2. So for us to evaluate, as you can see here, there is a 4 float. Okay, there is a 4 float. So I'm going to expand it. You start with the bracket. So the bracket, they start first. So you're going to have 4, then root of 16. Okay, you see that? Then after that, you do like this to the power 3. I'm breaking it for you, then over, again the same 4 is affecting 81 down there. We have 81, then over 3. So this is the easiest way of breaking it. Now, for the fourth root of 16, what is the meaning of that? So fourth root of 16, it means you find a number which you can expand 4 times to get 16. So for example, when you do 2 times 2 times 2 times 2, are you going to get 16? Let's try. 2 times 2, you get a 4. Again, 2 times 2, you get 4. Then answer 16. So we have expanded 2. How many times? 1, 2, 3, 4. It means the fourth root of 16 is 2. I hope you are following there. Now, after that, you are going to, I'll put it here, you are going to say the fourth root that you have found is 2. But this 2 is affected by a 3. I found the fourth root of 16 to be 2, but 2 is affected by the power of 3. Then I say over. Again, I have to find the fourth root of 81, the number which I can expand 4 times to get 81. So let's try. So since here we know that when we expand 2 4 times we get 16, so we are going to try with the 3. So 3 times 3 times 3 times 3. Am I going to get 81? Let's check out. 3 times 3, that's 9. Again, 3 times 3 is 9. 9 times 9 is 81. Meaning 3, it is the fourth root of 81. So we are going to put 3, but this 3 should be affected by a power of 3. You see here there is a power of 3. Now, what does it mean when you have 2 to the power 3? 2 to the power 3, it means 2 times 2 times 2. Then over. What does it mean when we have 3 to the power 3? It means 3 times 3 times 3. Now, what is 2 times 2? It is 4. Then what is 4 times 2? It is 8. Over. 3 times 3 is 9. What is 9 times 3? 27. And this is your answer, 80 over 27. And you get a 2 mark when you do that. So for you to understand the whole of this topic of the lesson on indices, you can just simply WhatsApp me. Okay, there is a WhatsApp on the video. There is my WhatsApp. Just get the WhatsApp line on the video. Then I'll be able to send the full lesson on indices. Then this will be just a simple issue for you to solve. Okay, let's solve question 3. So we solve question 3. Okay, so question 3, you can try, but I'll make a video for you. It will be part 2. So thank you for watching.